Aptitude. The word aptitude refers to a natural ability or talent for doing something. It is often used to describe a person's capacity to learn a particular skill or excel in a specific area. Aptitude can also be seen as a potential for success in a certain field. For example, if someone has an aptitude for mathematics, it means they have a natural talent for understanding and solving mathematical problems. They may grasp complex concepts quickly and find joy in working with numbers. Similarly, if someone has an aptitude for music, it means they possess a natural ability to understand and create music, whether it be through singing, playing an instrument, or composing melodies. Here are a few more examples to help illustrate the concept of aptitude. 1. Language aptitude. Some individuals have a natural aptitude for learning languages. They may find it easier to pick up new vocabulary, understand grammar rules, and mimic accents. This aptitude can be seen in polyglots who effortlessly speak multiple languages. 2. Artistic aptitude. Certain people have an aptitude for artistic pursuits such as painting, drawing, or sculpting. They may possess a keen eye for detail, a sense of aesthetics, and an ability to express emotions through their artwork. 3. Athletic aptitude. Some individuals have an aptitude for sports or physical activities. They may have exceptional coordination, agility, or strength, allowing them to excel in a particular sport like basketball, swimming, or gymnastics. 4. Problem-solving aptitude. Aptitude can also apply to problem-solving skills. Some people have a natural aptitude for identifying and resolving complex problems. They may possess logical thinking, analytical abilities, and a knack for finding innovative solutions. It's important to note that while aptitude provides a foundation for success, it is not the sole determinant. Hard work, dedication, and practice are also crucial in honing and developing one's skills and abilities.